Imagine this. You upload a product photo, and with just a single click, the background is completely gone. The shadows are perfectly perfected, and your image looks incredibly clean and professional. You need a stunning e-commerce design done in seconds. But that's not all. There's so much more that this tool can do to make your life easier. Want to showcase your products with lifelike AI fashion models without ever needing a photo shoot? Well, one click is all it takes. And when you're selling internationally, why not instantly translate your product details into multiple languages to reach a global audience? This can help expand your market and increase sales significantly. The tool we're talking about is called Pik Co-Pilot, which has been developed by the Alibaba team. Once you sign up and log in, you'll see a dashboard that looks like this, showcasing a variety of AI tools, all neatly categorized for your convenience. Let's explore these tools one by one and see how each of them can help you improve your product images and boost your business. First up, you'll find a wide selection of AI templates specifically designed for marketing and e-commerce. If you're into product marketing, these templates could literally be a game changer for your business. Whether you're working with fashion, gadgets, or beauty products, these templates are customizable and can be used across any e-commerce platform. And here's the best part. You don't need any designing skills to use them. Simply open any template and everything is fully customizable. From changing the images to replacing the text, everything is editable to suit your needs, giving you complete control over how your designs look. Next, we have the AI Backgrounds feature. This is one of the standout tools in Pik Co-Pilot, and it's incredibly easy to use. Simply click on the feature and you'll need to upload an image. For example, I have a product photo of a perfume with a white background. I'll upload it here and watch as the AI removes the background automatically. But sometimes the AI might not perfectly remove every little bit of the background. No worries though. Pik Co-Pilot has a magic eraser tool that allows you to remove any unwanted parts of the image. Alternatively, if you want even more control, you can manually edit the background yourself. However, in most cases, Pik Co-Pilot's AI handles this effortlessly, saving you tons of time. Once you're happy with the result, just click on Confirm Upload. This will leave you with an image that has no background at all. But wait, this is where the magic truly begins. You'll now be presented with several beautiful templates, each designed for different scenarios. If you head over to the More Scenes section, even more template options will appear. Choose the one you like, click Create Now, and watch the AI work its magic. Pik Co-Pilot will match the product style with the selected template, creating a suitable background for your image. It'll also add a perfect shadow for your product and transform the image into a professional-looking design. The best part? You get 2 design options for your product, and both of them look incredibly realistic, ready to be used on any e-commerce platform. Apart from the templates, you also have access to some stunning custom backgrounds that can be used to enhance your product images even further. For example, I've selected a custom background here, and it looks absolutely perfect with my perfume image. Once you're happy with the final design, you can easily download the image. Next up is the AI Shadow feature. Select the background color from the available options, and then click on Generate Shadow. Just like that, a perfect shadow is created. Even if the image has a transparent background, the shadow still looks flawless, adding a sense of depth and realism to the image. Here's another example, where you can clearly see how natural and realistic the shadow looks. Once you're satisfied with the result, just download the image and use it wherever you need. The next feature I want to introduce is Style Clone, and this one is truly incredible. It allows you to upload your product image and instantly apply different style templates to make it look unique. Once you upload the product image, you'll be shown a variety of style examples. Choose the style you want and click on Create Now. Within seconds, your image is transformed, styled to perfection. This feature is especially great for businesses looking to experiment with different design aesthetics or branding. Moving on to the Image Translator feature, this is a great tool if you're selling internationally. Let's see how it works. I'll upload an image that has some text on it. Then, select AI Translation. Set the original language, for example English, and choose the language you want to translate the text into. I'll select Spanish, click on Translate, and voila. The text in the image has been automatically translated into Spanish. But that's not all. You can even edit the translated text, change its color, or modify the font style to match your brand's design. This feature is quite unique and incredibly useful for anyone selling internationally, as it allows you to reach a broader audience without any additional manual effort. Let's move on to the AI model and AI fashion models features. These two tools are absolutely powerful and will blow your mind. With AI fashion models, you can create realistic virtual try-ons for clothing products. For example, let's say I have a one-piece outfit to sell. I'll select the one-piece category, upload my image of the outfit, and click Confirm Upload. You'll now see a selection of AI models on the screen. Choose the one you like, click Create Now, and within seconds, the outfit is seamlessly applied to the AI model. It fits perfectly, and you can see how your product will look when worn. It's really mind-blowing. But we're not done yet. You can also switch to a different model and click Create Now again to see how your outfit looks on a new model. The AI handles the fitting seamlessly, and you can use these images to showcase your products on e-commerce sites like Amazon or Flipkart. Finally, there's another interesting feature in the AI fashion model tool that allows you to upload your own image or any model's image. Once uploaded, you can select the model, change the hair color, and even select a background scene, like a studio background. Click Create Now, and boom! The outfit stays the same, but the model has completely changed. This is incredibly useful for e-commerce stores selling clothing and fashion items. As you can see, Pik Co-Pilot is a versatile and powerful tool that helps you create amazing e-commerce product images without needing professional product photography. It's a must-try for anyone running an online store. I've linked the tool in the description below, so be sure to check it out.